Yeah, so Xeon 600 processors for Workstation, codename Granite Rapids Workstation, unleashes heavy-duty computing by combining a server processor with a client chipset. So you get a bunch of connectivity options, Wi-Fi, with the heavy-duty compute of the server Xeon 6 processors. So it's fantastic.
No, that's pretty great. And one of the things that I wanted to ask you, so Workstation, for those who are like kind of new to this, who is Workstation for? Like, what are the people that should get this type of processor?
Yeah, so workstations are a super high-end class of processors and platforms there. They're really designed to help accelerate advanced computing, things like computational fluid dynamics, things like finite element analysis, more in the engineering sphere, where they simulate how air kind of goes over a car, for example. These are high-end platforms really to help with those large simulation tasks, as well as high-end 3D rendering as well. So these are just super high-end platforms, really for those business class users who need the highest end compute to get their job done. There is a whole host of overclocking features that we've enabled. We've enabled it with a bunch of different software tools to be able to address that overclocking mailbox, so you can overclock while you're in the OS as well. And so we have per core overclocking. You can overclock the mesh frequency that connects all the cores together. You can overclock even the frequency that connects the compute tiles together. And really, when we're thinking about overclocking in the workstation context, we're giving system integrators the tools to be able to customize the workstation, the performance of the processor for whatever application that they need. Let's say it's a high-frequency trading workload, and they want a whole bunch of high-performance cores running at the same time with a super high frequency. They can do that pending any thermal limitations or voltage and power limitations. But that's why we really do a lot of overclocking enablement on Workstation, is to give those system integrators the tools, or even DIYers who love doing enthusiast overclocking, the tools to be able to tune their processor performance for what they need.